Imagine building any project you can dream of easily and hassle-free. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects with already done-for-you plans, with step-by-step blueprints that let you build stunning and professional woodworking projects? Hello guys, my name is Jonas, and in this video I will tell you everything about TedsWoodWorking. The first thing you need to know is that TedsWoodWorking is only sold on the official website, and to help you I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video. So what is TedsWoodWorking? TedsWoodWorking is an online program that shares various secrets and various skills needed for a person to become a professional carpenter. TedsWoodWorking really works and delivers what it promises. All plans have detailed step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. After many tests, experts identified that there is a fast and practical method for you to manage to become a professional carpenter. With TedsWoodWorking you will learn many things like materials needed for you to do the projects. You will have access to 16,000 plans already made. You will learn all about tools and many things that will make you a professional carpenter. So yes, you can trust TedsWoodWorking. In fact, there are many people getting great results with TedsWoodWorking, and you can get results too. You also get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. You get details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. Another important warning is that you have a 60-day guarantee, so if you do not like this product for any reason, you will get your money back. TedsWoodWorking makes these 16,000 projects not only possible but simple. Plus you get free monthly plans for life. Get instant access to 16,000 projects now. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that TedsWoodWorking actually helps you in your woodworking projects.